you guys, what's up? So today we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial using some new MODA brushes. So if you would like to see what's inside this box and see the makeup look that we create, then just stay tuned. All right, so I know you guys remember my video of the Marilyn Monroe brushes. There was this set, this handle is like filthy. There was this set that has her on the handle. And then there was this set, which is like red, starlit, sparkly Hollywood glam with the platinum blonde bristles. You guys, MODA decided to come out with a part 2 of this collaboration. And here they are. These are so cool, you guys. They are dirty because I did use them in today's look that I had to wipe off because there was no way that I was driving to my son's school looking like that. But nonetheless, here they are, and they are absolutely stunning. These are like right up my alley. I love Marilyn and I love color. So yeah, combine the two and you have these. They are so cool. Okay, so I want to give you guys a close-up look of these kits. This is the Starstruck Blending Kit. It's a 4-piece kit that includes a round powder, a complexion, an angle blush, and a small stippler. They have vibrant vegan filaments and sleek black handles that capture the iconic white dress moment from Marilyn. They also include her signature as well as a little quote from her. "We are all stars and deserve the right to twinkle." These are absolutely stunning, you guys, and so super soft. Oh my gosh. You guys know how I raved about how soft and amazing this brush was? This is the same exact brush, only colorful. Such a gorgeous set. Next is the Bright and Beautiful Deluxe Kit. It includes 7 bold brushes, a buffer, radiance, crease, angle liner, precision liner, smudger, and shader. These are made with vibrant waterproof handles and matching vegan filaments. What I love about MODA brushes, you guys, is they are 100% vegan and cruelty-free and can be used with wet or dry product. So here is what it looks like. On the handle, it's super cool. It says Marilyn Monroe in this really cool font. I don't know why my camera, there we go. And super soft bristles yet again. But yeah, you guys, if you would like to see what makeup look I came up with using these amazing MODA brushes, then just stay tuned. All right, you guys, so we are definitely unleashing our creativity for this look today. But these brushes are so soft. With the wet product, they don't leave creasing, which I absolutely love. Some brushes just leave creasing and patchiness, and these did not do that. And then, of course, they blend out like a dream using the dry product as well. I loved the eyeshadow brushes from the 7-piece kit. I would barely have to dip into my eyeshadow palette because one little tiny dip and it would pull up so much product and like hold it. It was almost like a magnet. It was crazy. But yes, you could actually work on your eye and not have to dip in so much. And here is the final look using the new MODA brushes. I know it's crazy, I know. But it's gonna make for some good pictures on the gram. I was just really inspired by the colors and also by my jacket that I've literally had since like middle school, you guys. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of this crazy look. And yeah. Well, that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial using the new MODA brushes. I am in love with them. They are gorgeous and so colorful and fun. I had to wash that makeup look off to go pick up my son from school. There was no way I was going to be driving and picking up my son looking like that. But it was fun nonetheless, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.